The bromance is over for U.S. President Trump and billionaire Elon Musk. Ang kanilang once formidable alliance na uwi sa matinding bangayan sa social media. Ang detalye sa agenda report ng ating Mojo Joan Manalo.
Puno ng conspiracy theories ang kaso ng disgraced American financier with powerful associates Jeffrey Epstein. Marami ang hindi naniniwalang nagpakamatay si Epstein, isang convicted child sex offender and trafficker noong 2019 habang nakakulong at naghihintay ng kanyang trial. Marami rin ang nagtatanong kung bakit hindi pa rin nalalabas ang buong Epstein files, mga dokumentong mag-uugnay umano sa top politicians, businessmen and celebrities sa mga krimen ni Epstein. Pero ngayon, tila may sagot na, courtesy of the world's richest man, Elon Musk. Ang rason, ayon kay Musk, kasama si US President Donald Trump sa listahan. Yan ang bombshell ng ultra-bilyonaryo sa kanyang fiery public spat with Trump. Dagdag niya, mark this post for the future. The truth will come out. Dapat na rin daw ma-impeach na si Trump. Sagot ng White House, disgruntled lang si Musk dahil hindi na isama ang mga polisiya niya sa spending bill ng Trump administration.
Look, Elon and I had a great relationship. I don't know if we're well anymore.
Ang spending bill ang sinasabing ugat ng away ni na Trump at Musk. Binatikos siya ni Musk bago umalis ng Trump administration noong isang linggo. Sa kanyang Truth Social, sinabi ni Trump na pinaalis niya ang Tesla CEO at SpaceX founder because he was wearing thin. Sinuggest din niya na kanselahin na ang government contracts and subsidies sa mga kumpanya ni Musk. Walang problema, sagot ni Musk. Pero dapat alisin din ang sinasabi niyang mountain of disgusting pork sa budget.
I'm very disappointed because Elon knew the inner workings of this bill better than almost anybody sitting here, better than you people. He knew everything about it. He had no problem with it. All of a sudden he had a problem, and he only developed the problem when he found out that we're going to have to cut the EV mandate because that's billions and billions of dollars, and it really is unfair.
Buwelta ni Musk, hindi niya nakita ang spending bill na aniya was passed in the dead of the night so fast that almost no one in Congress could even read it. Tinawag din niyang ingrata si Trump na hindi raw sana mananalo sa eleksyon kung wala siya.
People leave my administration and they love us, and then at some point they miss it so badly, and some of them embrace it and some of them actually become hostile.
Ang mga Amerikano hindi nagulat sa bitter breakup ni na Trump at Musk.
Two rich men with two big egos. They can't coexist for long.
Each of them thinks that they're God's gift to mankind, and they can, no, there's no way they can last a relationship that would last.
From bromance to meltdown in spectacular fashion in less than a year. Para sa agenda, Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.